3 reasons a gluten-free diet may help you lose weight. We've all heard that gluten-free diets are great for weight loss, but does this have any truth to it? Can going gluten-free help you lose weight? If so, why might this be the case? Let's look at 3 reasons why following a gluten-free diet may help you lose weight. 1. A gluten-free diet may help with bloating. Some people report that they feel less bloated when they cut gluten from their diet. For example, if you have lactose intolerance, you may notice that you're also intolerant to gluten, because both are protein strands found in certain foods. If you suffer from lactose intolerance and go on a gluten-free diet, you may find your symptoms clear up. In addition to cutting out dairy products that contain added sugar and carbohydrates, eating more fiber-rich foods, like fruits and vegetables, can help manage bloating. 2. A gluten-free diet may help you lose weight. If you're trying to lose weight, it might be worth switching to a gluten-free diet. Just by giving up wheat products like bread, pasta, and cereal, you could drop pounds. Switching from refined grains to whole grains is an important part of healthy eating in general, and one that can have dramatic effects on your body. Switching to brown rice and quinoa instead of their white counterparts makes all the difference in your waistline, as white grains are higher on most people's lists of foods they try hard not to eat. 3. A gluten-free diet can be beneficial for your gut health. The first advantage of choosing to eat gluten-free is that you are more likely to have better gut health. Gluten, which can be found in grains like wheat, spelt, and barley and products made from them, has been linked to digestive disorders such as celiac disease, irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, and non-celiac gluten sensitivity. It's possible that a gluten-free diet will lead to reduced inflammation in your gastrointestinal tract. Further research is needed on how gluten affects gut health, but if you suffer from digestive issues, it could be worth giving up foods containing gluten for an extended period of time to see if you notice any improvements. Finally, while we don't have all the answers, it is encouraging to see that gluten-free diets may benefit not only people with celiac disease, but also those who are obese. If you are interested in trying a gluten-free diet for weight loss, be sure to talk to your doctor about possible side effects and interactions with medications.